Hello, friend. Good morning. Myself, Dr. Vishal Tidke, and today we are going to discuss about the meaning and type of ratios. Friends, as you all know, ratio is simply a division of two numbers. For example, if in a class there are 45 boys and 15 girls, then you can say the ratio of boys to girls is 45 upon 15, or you can also narrate that as 45 as to 15, or 45 divided by 15 multiplied by 100. So ratio is simply the comparison of two numbers. However, ratio analysis is one of the financial analysis technique that helps us out in understanding as to how the business is progressing. Majorly, for identifying the financial performance of any company, we have four major parameters, namely profitability, liquidity, solvency, and turnover. So, with the help of ratio analysis, we can better understand the situation of business on these parameters. So, how can we get this done? That we will understand by understanding the different types of ratios. So, with the same context, the ratios are being majorly classified amongst four types. They are liquidity ratio, turnover ratio, solvency ratio, and profitability ratio. Liquidity ratios are the ones which will help you out in understanding the short term money availability condition of the company or ability of a company to repay its short term obligations. Turnover ratios are the ones which can give us the picture related to the level and amount of sales as compared to the expected targeted sales. Solvency ratios will help us out in understanding the long term solvency ability of the company. It means that in an unfortunate event of closure of an organization, every organization will have to repay its capital obligations. Means they have to repay the shareholders' money and they have to repay all the debts, let that be loan or bond or debenture. So whether company is in a position to repay all of these obligations can be better understood with the help of solvency ratios. And of course, profitability ratios are the ones which can help us out in identifying the level of profits being emerged by the company. So this is how ratio will help us out in finding out the performance of every business organization. Friends, let's hope that you have understood the concept. So I can expect that you can answer the question called state and explain the concept of ratio and its various types. Thank you for listening to my video and keep watching the same. For more details, contact on below mentioned details. Thank you.